Morning, guys. 1,000,000 degrees below zero. And we made a trip to Harbor Freight. All right, so this is quantity 1 piece. You can see the weight, kilograms, not very light. So I have that motor, or I should say engine, turbo 350, trans I'm looking for, made in China. I'll drop it. Oh, I gotta clean that mess up. How many of you guys got messes in your garages, man? I got messes all over this house. I gotta clean up. Not taking good care of my stuff like I was raised to. I got cans popping. Here it is. The Pittsburgh 1000.